Hello, P6. In this video, I'm going to talk about what page is this? Page 10 of your workbook. This is a crossword puzzle. This is a crossword puzzle. There. All right. Again, Miss Wendy don't have my board with me, so I'm going to not write very well. Oh, look, there's a typo. There should be capital, all right, not capsule. Capital. Now, you need to read your book, turn your book to your unit 3 on page 27, where we have learned our vocabulary and put the vocabulary onto this crossword puzzle. Let Miss Wendy read out these sentences to you and do a little bit of explanation. Down. Number 1, A is a large hole usually found on the side of a mountain. So a hole on a mountain. Number 2 is a sport in which you ride on a board and move on the sea waves. So there's a board. And then you do it onto the waves of the water. So what sport is that? Number 3, when you go, you move very fast over snow on the board. Again, there's another board, but this time you will be doing the sport on snow. Number 5, A is the highest part of a mountain. So look at the picture on page 27 and find the highest part of the mountain and see what that word is. Number 7, A is a place where you grow plants and keep animals. So find a place where you can grow plants and put animals inside on page 27's picture. Now across, going this way. Number 4, when you go, you swim with a tube in your mouth so that you can breathe underwater. So let's draw a mouth. And then there's a tube in your mouth. That's a tube, okay? And then you can breathe underwater. What is that? Sport. Number 6, jump from a very high place with a cord attached to your body is called jumping. A cord is like a string, a very long string, and it's tied to your body. Usually is your leg, okay, with this kind of jumping. We talked about that in our lesson, and Miss Wendy really doesn't want to do that jump. It's very scary. Number 8, is an exciting sport in which you jump out of a plane and fall slowly. Again, another jump. What kind of sport is that? So when you jump off the plane, usually you fall very quickly, but you are carrying something to make you fall slowly. What is that sport? Number 9, A, refers to the side of a mountain. Refers to means points to. Talk about the side of a mountain. So there's a mountain and the side of it is here. That's the side. So what do we call that? Number 10, A is an area of rock with a side going straight down into the water. So this time there is a rock. There's a rock. But then there's one side that's very straight and it goes down to water. Very straight and it goes down to water. All right, so go ahead to find the words and finish the crossword puzzle.